Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Confirm your VPN type, server address, and username with your IT department before you begin. Use a company email when requesting credentials and note whether they require a certificate. Install the vendor VPN app from the App Store or Play Store on your phone. Allow any required permissions when prompted. Ensure mobile data or Wi-Fi is active and that you have permission to install apps on this device. Keep your device passcode enabled for security and audit compliance. Open the VPN app and add a new connection using the server address provided by IT. Enter your username exactly as given and choose the correct authentication method: password, certificate, or two-factor authentication code. If IT instructed a port, set it to 443 or the specified number. Enable split tunneling only if your organization approves it for mobile devices. Configure DNS to company DNS servers when requested. Save the profile and review. Tap Connect and accept any permission prompts from the VPN app, then wait up to 30 seconds for the session to establish. If prompted, enter your second factor code or approve the push notification from your authenticator. Verify your new IP shows the company network and test access to internal email, the intranet, and shared drives. If resources fail, toggle airplane mode or Wi-Fi, restart the VPN app, and try again. Contact IT support with screenshots and the exact error message if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.